Hariam. This year we are celebrating Red Panda Day on 18th September. It is Saturday. Why do we celebrate Red Panda Day? Before entering to the contest, let me tell one small story. Once all the animals went to Lord Brahma. They had a big allegation against the human beings. First, the dog, most faithful creation in the world, asked to Lord Brahma, why do human beings consider as the highest creation? I am the most faithful animal. Human beings are not. Lord Brahma smiled. After that, the lion went to Lord Brahma and told, I protect the jungle, forest. When I feel hungry, that time only I take food. And I am the bravest animal. But human beings are very greedy. They always take food. They are not ever about food. They are not brave. They are afraid of silly matters. They don't protect the creation. Then how do they consider as the highest creation in the world? Lord Brahma smiled, told yes, they are considered as the highest creation due to their intellect. But unless until they don't use their intellect, they are not considered as the highest creation. They should understand that. Yes, children, we can utilize our intellect into optimum stage. You see the bountiful world along with the animals. Everybody is doing their work, even if a bacteria cleans the environment. We cannot discriminate the animals by seeing their shape, size. And God has given us intellect to utilize in a better manner, to discriminate the things, to nurture, to nourish, to protect, to conserve and to preserve the creation, the animals. Now let us come to the topic. The International Red Panda Day is celebrated on 3rd Saturday of the month September every year to raise awareness and support the red panda conservation issues. The day was launched by the Red Panda Network in 2010. The first International Red Panda Day was celebrated on 18 September 2010. With the decline of available opportunities to live and thrive in their natural habitat, red pandas are struggling. This day encourages people to learn about these lovable, adorable creatures and help save the biome in which they live. To help make others aware of the plight of these cute little animals, let us share some informations, fun facts and bits of trivia on International Panda Day.
Hariom, my name is Akshat Singh. Friends, do you know today is International Red Panda Day and it is the 10th International Red Panda Day. So as I like animals, I have given one opportunity to make a video on this Red Panda Day. So all of us know that it is going to extinct one day, and very rare species are there in India that are found in of red pandas. It is also found in India, but we cannot see it because it is very rare, as it's some species are extincted. It is one family member of skunks, also raccoons also. So now let us see how cute really this red panda is. And if I have got to see this red panda, I would feel that I am the very luckiest person to see this rarest species. So now let us see the presentation presented by me. Thank you.
Pumpkin, you're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake gumdrop. Snickums, pickums, you're the apple of my eye. And I love you so, and I want you to know that I'll always be right here. And I love to sing three songs to you because you're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umby umpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake gumdrop. Snickums, pickums, you're the apple of my eye. And I love you so, and I want you to know that I'll always be right here. And I
What a lovely and beautiful creature this is. I hope you all like this red panda by seeing it. So now let us know more about this red panda in my presentation. The average lifespan of a red panda that lives in the wild is just about 8 to 12 years. Red pandas eat mostly bamboo, but they eat other foods too, like fruit, acorns, roots, and eggs. The internet browser Firefox that we use today is named after the red panda. So now let us listen a beautiful song sung by Indrani.
International Red Panda Day on 18th September 2021. In this day, I am going to sing a song on red pandas. Two red pandas trying to get in the house. Two red pandas trying to figure it out. One red panda starts hopping around and singing his song as he jumps from the ground. Hop, 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 to get what you want to. Hop, 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 just keep hopping on. Hop, 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 you don't stop. Three red pandas are now on the scene, crawling around trying to find some cuisine. But the one red panda has the idea, and all three voices ring out clear. You gotta hop, hop, hop to get what you want to. Hop, 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 just keep hopping on. Hop, 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 you don't stop. The red panda was classified as a raccoon, and I can see why. But the one red panda, its own family, so they jump for joy and they sing loudly. Hop, 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 just keep hopping on. Hop, 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 to get what you want to. Hop, 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 hopping is fun. Hop, 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 red pandas don't stop. Hop, 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 to get what you want to. Hop, 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 just keep hopping on. Hop, 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 hopping is fun. Hop, 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 and you don't stop. Hari Om, happy Red Panda Day.
Before the conclusion, I would like to give special thanks to Sangeeta teacher who guided me to this such kind of presentation, and I hope you all have liked this video and Indrani's song also. And happy International Red Panda Day to all of you.
Some glimpses and informations about red pandas. Let us discuss about the features first. The red panda is slightly larger than domestic cat with a bear-like body and thick russet fur. The belly and limbs are black and there are white marking on the side of the head and above its small eyes. Red pandas are very skillful and acrobatic animals that predominantly stay in tree. What is their behavior? They are most active in the early morning and late afternoon, spending most of the day resting in trees, conserving their energy. They are normally solitary creatures but come together in pairs in the breeding season. Where do red pandas live? red pandas live in the eastern Himalaya and southwestern China. Can red pandas be adopted? Yes. If red pandas are your favorite animal, we have got a great gift. You can adopt a red panda today. How big are red pandas? Red pandas are roughly the size of a large domestic cat. What do red pandas eat? The red panda's diet is 97% bamboo and they occasionally eat small mammals, eggs and flowers. When are red pandas most active? Answer: mainly at night, and they tend to look for food at dawn and at dusk. How long do red pandas live? Up to 15 years they live. Why are red pandas endangered? Red pandas are endangered mainly because of their natural habitat being destroyed and also due to them being hunted. Finally, we should conserve red pandas as their presence an indicator of the overall health of ecoregion. They help balance in the ecosystem. Hariam.